everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today we're going to talk about No Spend 2023, and I'm going to show you all the reasons why I don't need any nail products. I'm almost embarrassed to show you how much I've accumulated, but you know, this will give you an idea why I don't need anything else. So I think let's just jump into it. I did my nails the other day. One of the perks of having a YouTube channel is that I do get products sent to me, and a lot of those products are nail products, which I love. So I have this little purple case. I got this from Amazon a while back. So up here in the top, I keep my drill bits, and I have quite a few. I have some tucked away in here, some more here. But wait, there's more. There's more here. So I've got drill bits up here, and then we start getting into like the polishes. So all of this up here is gel polish. This is the polish that I used, gel polish I used to do my nails that I have done right now. I use the red, and I think it was this one, the glittery one. But this is a gel polish from Metha, I think is the way you say the company name. But so there's, I think 26 polishes. What is that? 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5. So 20 plus 3, so 23. And then over here, I have some polishes from Madam Glam and Beetles and all sorts. I've got nail glue. So just in this top part, I'm sure you can say, oh yeah, you have more than enough. I've got top coats, base coats, sparklies, some extra nail tops that came with the Azure dip powder that I'll show you here in a little bit. But here's some of the ones I have up here. These are new. I just did these. I think I did these this morning, or maybe I did them yesterday, but they turned out really good. So that's the top of this little zipper doohickey. In the bottom part, uh-oh, I lost a bit. Let's put this back in here so I don't lose it. In the bottom is just polishes. So down here in the bottom, I have all of my Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. That's what all of these are here. Let's see, the only exception is this Diamond Strength Sally Hansen, and then I have one Expressi polish. This is a quick dry from Essie, and I tried this. I actually really like the formula. Over here on the left, I have like my prep stuff for when I do full nail covers. I've got primer and dehydrator. That's a necessity for doing your own nails. We have a remover by Nail Addict. I didn't really care for that too much. Some Nail Addict polish. I didn't do a very good job of picking it out when they reached out, and I don't find myself gravitating to these kind of mauve-y colors, but top coat, another color. And then these down here are from Beetles. And these are kind of smaller little bottles. What are these? 0.25 ounces. And I just have a variety of colors, pinks, blues, sparklies. I love a good sparkly polish because I am not good at doing my right hand. I am right-handed, so having to work with my left is really tough. And the trick is for me to use glitter so that you focus on the glitter and not on the imperfection. So that's been working pretty well for me. So that's all of the bottled polishes that I have. So I'm going to set that aside. Which one should we do? Let's do this one first. Here are all of the dip polishes that I have from Azure Beauty. I really like these a lot. The only thing about this kit that I would change is I would want bigger bottles. I need more of these bottles to be able to use all of these. But I really like the dip polish a lot. Set that aside. So in here I've got all of my buffing blocks, all of my, nail files, and it goes deep. I have so many. I mean, this is just disgusting. How many? I've got emery boards, foot files, some little dapper dishes for, acetone for when I'm doing my nails. These are nail polish wraps. So this is an easy way to soak off gel or dip polish. I haven't quite perfected putting these on myself, but I'm going to try them again because the first time around I didn't really care for them too much, but I bought them and I need to use them. I have my cuticle remover. I love this stuff. It was so inexpensive and I just feel like it works so well. These are all of the sanding that I have for the little drill bit. I have to say, I use the drill bit quite a few times, and I got too far into my natural nail and I hurt myself, and so I haven't actually used it again in quite some time. I'm trying to let my nails grow back out and recuperate from the drill. So I have these, but I haven't used them in a while. This is a nail polish holder. I got this off of Amazon. It's like one of those impulse purchases. Oh yeah, I need something to hold the bottle. I have some lint-free little towels. I do use these for gel polishes that are a wipe off. So you need to take like alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and you wipe the stickiness off, and then you have beautiful gel polish. So I do use that quite a bit, and I have some cotton balls in here. But all of this is nail files and emery boards. I have a lot of them. I do have some 3D nail art stickers. I'll probably save those for the grandbabies. But this is everything in this tote. So this is all of the polish and color I have. So the dip powder plus what I have in that purple tote. So I have more than enough. And the dip powder came with a little brush and all the tools you need. So that was really nice. I have to say, like, dip powder has become almost, I dare say I like it a little bit better than I like gel polish. It's a lot easier to work with, I think. So that's everything in here. I'm just sitting on the floor. So hopefully my foot stays out of frame because my toes are not painted right now. And then this is the last tub. And in here I have like toe separators. I have my big UV light that I use with gel polish. I have this. It was an impulse buy. I saw somebody use it on YouTube. When they put on the fake nails, you put it underneath to just kind of flash cure it. But the problem is you've got to hold on to the nail and do this. It was really difficult to use. So I actually don't care for this at all. Instead, then I found somebody else on YouTube using this. This I love. You like clip it to a table. It's flexible. I can hold the nail and flash cure it. No problem. So this was a good purchase. The other thing, not so much. This is the power strip to the Beatles lamp. I have a mini lamp from Nail Addict. I had another one of these that I actually gave to my mother, and I gave her some polishes as well. I have nail glue, toe separators. I have all of my nails down here. These, I don't really like these. These are like an almond shape. I don't care for them at all. But these. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are a short coffin, and I got rid of the ones that didn't fit me just to make it easier for me to find. But I love the shape of these. I love how they fit my fingers. These are my favorites. So these are, you know, some Gel X nail extensions that I got off of Amazon. They were pretty inexpensive. You know, I'll use this first. I will kick and scream when I have to start using these. I probably would stop. I would stop using them probably because I just dislike them that much. In here, I have my little nail soakers. So not only do I have those tin foil wrappy things, but I've got these. So you put a cotton ball and you dip it in acetone. You get it with, you know, like break them in half, put some acetone on it, you put it on your nail, and you put these little clippy-doos. This is my favorite way to soak off nails. These really work well, but it's hard to get all 10 on at the same time, you know, to get them all and then have them all on. So I tend to do one hand at a time, but these are this was a good purchase. I purchased these from Amazon, and I haven't even opened them up yet. These are the little bottles that I can put acetone in or alcohol, and it's got the little top where you can like just kind of pat down on it, and it dispenses a little bit of product. So I like that. And then last is this little container. It came with one of the kits. I have all of my nail clippers. I have all of the nail art brushes. I have orange cuticle pushers, dotting tools for nail art. I've had these for years. I got these when I was still in Virginia. My friend, her daughter Olivia, and I would have like sleepover every single weekend, and one of the things we would do every weekend was our nails, and I would do designs like little polka dots and stuff on her nails. So I've had these a long time, but the rest of this stuff is just kind of odds and ends. I mean, still in the package because they came from Amazon. So that's everything that I have for doing my nails. I have enough polish. I have enough supplies. I shouldn't have to purchase anything this year at all. And I mean, heck, looking at all the things that I have, I probably don't even need anything the next year in 2024. Maybe some of the refill bottles of like the base and top coat, but that would be it because I have enough colors. Now, like I said, the one good thing about being on YouTube and, you know, having a growing channel is that companies do reach out and ask me to review things, and nail polishes and nail products I have received in the past 2 or 3 times. So I don't think I could say no because I love polish so much, but I don't need it. I mean, let's be honest, I don't need it, but I wanted to share with you all of the things that I have for doing my nails so you guys would understand why. Another reason why I don't need a beauty budget, because I have an abundance of nail products and so much to get me through probably over the next couple of years. All right, guys, that is everything for me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.